celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on! It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on! Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a dedication to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Yeah, yeah. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on! Let's celebrate. Come on now. Celebrate good times, come on! Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. Celebrate good times, come on!
Hello our Onthank community and a warm welcome to our final summer assembly of this school year. We've already shared part 1 of our best bits and you know they certainly brought a huge smile to my face. Love is Onthank.
What a year this has been, but in true Onthank style, the pandemic hasn't stopped our community coming together, socially distanced and virtually, to celebrate achievements and share special experience and memories together. Love is Onthank.
Today, we will take a trip down memory lane and a whistle-stop tour of our school year highlights, including our recent sports day, our Onthank online family fun, charity fundraisers and more. The leadership team are excited and proud to hand over to our pupil council and rights respecting school ambassadors who will lead our assembly today. Love is Onthank.
I look into the window of my mind. Reflections of
Hi everyone, Chloe here, your Pupil Council Chair for the past year. It's been great to help and lead our Pupil Council throughout the year and look back at some highlights. We raised £714 for children in need this year. Amazing!
As a school, we've supported many charities
with a grand total of £5,815.65 being raised by our full school community. Thank you to everyone who made this possible. Let's take a look at our fundraising plan.
It's never too late to try. What have you done today to make you feel proud? You could be so many people if you make that grab for freedom. What have you done today to make you feel proud? Still so many answers I don't know. There are so many answers. Realize that true question is how we grow. To question is to grow. So I step out of the ordinary. I can feel my soul ascending. I'm on my way. Can't stop me now. You can do the same, yeah. What have you done today to make you feel proud? It's never too late to try. What have you done today to make you feel proud? You could be so many people if you make that grab for freedom. What have you done today to make you feel proud? Yeah, we need a change. Yeah, do it today. Yeah, I can feel my spirit rising. Change. Yeah, we need a change. Yeah, so do it today. Yeah, 'cause I can see you there rising. What have you done today to make you feel proud? Yeah, let me hear you, let me hear you, let me hear you. So what have you done today to make you feel proud? Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause you could be so many people if you make that grab for freedom. So what have you done today to make you feel proud? What have you done today? Yeah, let me hear ya. What have you done today? What have you done today? What have you done today to make you feel proud? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. You could be so many people. Just make that grab for freedom. So what have you done today to make you feel proud?
Remember Macmillan Go Green Day? We raised £589.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm
We
bed.
celebrated the work for Mary Meals for World Porridge Day, raising £219.20.
Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you.
Our whole school participated in the Race for Life and raised £410.90 for cancer research.
You got a friend in me. Now, some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, big and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you
As a Rights Respecting School, we supported UNICEF Day for Change for sending £363 to families and children in Yemen.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
It was hashtag time for a cuppa day in May, where we raised awareness for elderly people living with dementia. We raised £670.20 for Dementia UK.
When it rains, it pours, but you didn't even notice. It ain't raining anymore. It's hard to breathe when all you know is the struggle of staying above the rising water line. Well, the sky is finally open. The rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella.
Do you remember Red Nose Day fun? Onthank Primary raised a whopping £1,361.45 for comic relief.
If you could see what I see, you'd be blinded by the colors, yellow, red, orange, and green, and at least a million others. So tie up the bow, take off your coat, and take a look around. 'Cause the sky is finally open. The rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella. Well, darling, I'm just trying to tell ya that there's always been a rainbow hanging over your head. Oh, tie up the bow, take off your coat, and take a look around. Everything is alright now, 'cause the sky is finally open. The rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again.
Who can forget our 2020 COVID-friendly Santa Dash?
Let go.
Onthank chose 7 different charities to fundraise for. Onthank Primary's community raised over £1,300 in total.
Memories are better than dreams, £272.97. Beautiful Inside and Out, £290.90. Dogs Trust UK, £146.85.
Dementia Resource Centre, Kilmarnock, £188.31.
North West Food Bank, £147.81.
Ayrshire Cancer Support, £274.31.
Ayrshire Deaf Club, £166.75.
I would like to take this time to thank 2 parents who have retired from our Parent Council this session. Karen Thompson, who has worked in the PTA and then the Parent Council, has been Treasurer for many years. She's worked tirelessly for Onthank, supporting many events, including school discos and supporting our school swim team when we're able to do that. Karen, we would like to thank you for all your hard work and dedication. It has been really appreciated. Thank you. Another parent who has stood down this year has been Mary Mays. Mary Mays has been an integral part of our parent council, especially when we were trying to increase our numbers and include the whole school community. She's worked with us to do a variety of different things, such as inviting speakers to come and talk about digital online safety, and her work in organisational development has really been a great asset as part of our parent council team. Mary, we would like to thank you for all your hard work, and from all the boys and girls and everyone at Onthank Primary. Thank you.